I was going to do this as a voiceover, but I started off so badly. I'm going to have to talk through it. So I just added a little bit too much makeup to my eyes, both of them. There's a lot more on the sponge, on the brush than I thought. And there might be still a little bit of eyelash glue as well. I just recorded a previous video. Anyway, we shall continue. So I'm not doing my full face. I'm just doing a little bit of foundation around my eyes just to set it up for the eyeshadow. So I want to do something kind of smoky and dark, like sexy for Valentine's. I don't really like doing dark makeup. I don't find it suits me very well, but let's give it a whirl anyway. I'm going to start off with just making sure there's no creases. So my eyes crease up really fast. So what I tend to do is like buff it out each eye at a time, get a little bit of powder and just take away the crease, but not enough powder that's fully set. I think I'm going to do brown on the lid, black underneath with maybe a wing liner. We're going to see how it goes. Anyway, that's the best way to put it. Okay, you'll probably know by the thumbnail what I've done, so you know before I do. So what we're going to start off with is the Beauty Bay Nude palette. I love it. It has so many shades, and this white is my favourite. Although I think it's the exact same white that's in Jaclyn Hill's Armed and Gorgeous palette. I don't care what anyone says, they're the exact same. So off with All or Nothing, and I'm going to do one eye and then the other eye off camera just so I can fully focus. All or Nothing. It's quite a neutral light shade. I think it's a good, I don't think it's a good, it's not coming out as well today. Okay, so we're going to go to Raw Sienna. This is a fluffy brush by Kira Daly. I got it as a Christmas present like 2 years ago. And honestly, it's one of my favourite brushes ever. Not too bad, sexy. Then we're going to get another brush. Dusted off my paints. Then we're going to go in with maple syrup. It looks all too dark. Warm and cozy looks nice. Gonna go in with Toast first. It's the best option. I end up go with the lighter colour. And I just want to have this at the outer corner. I want to keep my eye lifted because I'll be blending it out after the liner as well maybe. So I'm going to go in with Warm and Cozy. It's really dark. Wish me luck, because when you go in for the dark shade, that's what it's like. Just gonna blend. Still going through the whole moment with my lips. As you can tell, they're very red, look a little swollen. I'm gonna get this brush again. Definitely not gonna go any darker than this. Just not comfortable with it right now. Might come back to it another day. Just had a cup of tea and there's steam coming out of my mouth. Alright, we might come back to it another day and go a little darker, but I think for today I'm definitely not comfortable to go any dark. So like that, and then we're gonna go in with After Dark. It's the darkest brown. I don't think I want to go in with the under eyes. I'm not going to do the under eyes yet because I want to do my concealer and then my under eyes. So we'll leave that for the second. But what I am going to do is I'm going to go into this palette, which I've been using recently. I really like. I've had it a while, maybe too long, but I still like the colours. So this is a Lottie London palette, Coca Lana. I'm going to go in with that one. Mixed with a bit of 1M, which I guess stands for 1 million. I'm just going to apply this on the lid. Just use the mirror and that bit on there. Nice little shimmer. And I think I'm going to go in with a bit of eyeliner today. The LA Girl eyeliner. And I have some Duraline by Ingora. So we're going to mix in a little dot of that. You know, I'm just being lazy and I don't want to look for a thinner brush. This one isn't thin enough, but we're just going to roll with it. I think I want to smoke it out a little more, so I'm going to go take a hike. It's a little bit darker. It's a lot darker actually. I'm going to take a hike, blend it all in. It'll all come together when the bottom lash is done. So I'm going to do the bottom lash, or the other eye off camera, and then I'm going to add a bit of foundation. I'm going to use some of the Ordinary foundation today, and then I'm going to come back to do my contour and highlighting and concealer and all that. I'm not sure. I feel like too much. I felt like I needed more bronzer, and now that I have more bronzer on, I feel like it's so much happening, but we're going to keep going. So after dark for under the eyes, well, that might as well be black. It's like a really dark brown in the palette, but might as well be black. I mean, let's be real, it's not the worst makeup anyone's ever seen, but it's definitely not my favourite work, to be honest. So I'm kind of just smudging it up into the liner. Just blending it here at the outer corner. I'm going to have to add on some black eyeliner. Custom. Easy. I have some number 7 black eyeliner. This is not going well. Not well at all. At all. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out for a couple of minutes and see what happens. For my lips, I'm gonna keep it like dark and smoky. We're gonna go with Night Moth by MAC. Then we're going to go in with Kiko Milano's color 404. This color lipstick, if you're looking for a pinky nude shade that matches with any liner. So I'm going to put on mascara and lashes. I'm going to use So Sumi Envy. And then I'm going to come back. And hopefully it hasn't been a big waste of time and it looks good together. Fingers crossed. So I actually think with my hair done up rather than having it down, I think if I had like really dark hair, like a dark brown or a black, I'd probably be more inclined to wear darker makeup, but because I have pink hair, I feel like it's a little out of place. So I'm just going to pop on my lashes. I think when the lashes are on, it definitely looks a lot better, but I still don't think I'll be wearing dark makeup very often. I think if I had like dark hair and like a black dress on or something, it would look really sexy. And then I could even leave my hair down like big curls. I think right now I look a little so I definitely won't be going this dark again. I think maybe I'm just so used to the neutral makeup. I need to do dark makeups really for like YouTube or TikTok or something. So it's quite strange to see my face like this. I guess I'll see when my boyfriend gets home from work what he says, because if he gives me positive feedback, it's nice, because my makeup is extremely different than normal. If you look at most of my videos, it's either like a bit of pink, a bit of red, but it's never really dark colors. So if I find something darkish to wear for Valentine's, I might wear this makeup and hairstyle, but I need like a black halter neck dress or something very slick to kind of go with it. But anyway, I'm gonna stop baffling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.